If you're running a residential cleaning business, you're probably wearing every hat. You're answering inquiries, scheduling jobs, sending reminders, and following up for reviews, all while doing the actual cleaning. The problem is, none of that scales. And it only takes a few missed messages or forgotten follow-ups before clients start slipping through the cracks. You don't need another to-do list. You need a CRM that actually does the work for you. That's where Go High Level comes in. It's a powerful platform that combines lead capture, automated messaging, scheduling, and client pipelines, all in one place. But the real power comes when it's customized for your business. At WebEye, we've taken Go High Level and built a fully loaded CRM system specifically for residential cleaning owners who don't have time to figure all this out. It comes with automated follow-ups, pre-written messages, quote flows, appointment reminders, and client pipelines, all built and ready to run. No guesswork, no tech setup. Just plug in and launch. If you're tired of doing everything manually and want a CRM built to keep your business running smoothly, click the link in the description to get access to the WebEye system for Go High Level.